win first prize, of course.
Attention, dog owners. The Heart Lake City Dog Talent Show will begin in 15 minutes.
Huh? What's wrong with them?
Emma, your camera bag is moving. Yeah, it does that sometimes. Bad bag, sit.
Now hold on there, Missy.
Oh, hi, Mr. Snivel.
As head of dog show security, I'm gonna need to inspect that there bag.
Dog show security?
You betcha. Why, your average dog show is just crawling with slippery customers. Pickpockets, purse snatchers, squeaky toy squeezers. Why, there's even been reports of a ring of ruthless dog nappers. Ooh. You know, some of these pedigreed pups are worth a pretty penny. Now.
Emma, you brought a cat to a dog show? It was his idea. He's kind of a thrill seeker.
Looky here, miss.
I know. I'm sorry. I promised to keep him out of sight. He won't even know he's here.
Well, okay. I'll let it go this time. But if I catch him again, he'll be doing some hard time under the bed.
Oh, what an adorable little doggy. What breed is he?
Mostly pug, we think. But we can't believe everything he says. Toppy! I am so sorry. I don't know what's gotten into him.
Oh, no. That's okay, dearie. Don't give it a moment's thought.
1, 2, kick, then jazz paws.
Good, baby.
Sheer genius, Brent. There's no way Tina won't humiliate the rest of these mutts and their owners. Move your big... Seriously, Stephanie? You're entering that in the dog show?
It so happens that Benchley is a 100% purebred.
Purebred what? Doorstop?
Ha ha. In point of fact, I have his pedigree papers right here. Signed, notarized, and licked by a Labrador.
Nice try. Well, at least you'll be here to see me win. Again.
I hate to agree with Tanya about anything. But what were you thinking?
And I've organized a puppy pastry party for after the dog show, with biscuits in the shape of mailmen.
Oh, Mia, how sweet. I see you're walking your pig.
That's pug, Tanya. Toppy is a pug.
Oops, my mistake. It must have been the smell.
All right, Tanya, that's enough of...
Poor little pig dog. He probably doesn't even have papers.
He doesn't need any. He's housebroken.
How droll. Still, it must be so discouraging competing against a pedigree boots hair like my Tina.
You haven't won yet, Miss Butterhair. Life is full of surprises, and it just so happens I've got a little one for you.
Please, Sophie, please. I just need to borrow one dog for one day.
I wish I could help, Stephanie, but all my doggy daycare clients are already entered in the show. Well, except for Benchley.
Benchley?
Oh, haven't you got anything else?
Sorry.
I know, I did it again. I always let Tanya get to me, and now I'm entering this sack of potatoes in a dog show.
Well, at least he's different.
I think he's kind of cute, in a big, slobbery way.
Emma's right, Stephanie. Maybe you should give him a chance.
Okay, that's your entry picture. Now you're official.
I tell you, you won't find a breed more intelligent than the Labrador.
But nothing matches the superb dignity of the Dalmatian.
Oh, stop it! Oh!
You call that pickpocketing? I've seen gorillas with more finesse. Didn't I teach you better?
But, Mom!
And why are you wasting your time on petty pilfering anyway? Don't you know when there's a real treasure right under your nose?
You mean my mustache?
No, not your mustache.
It's a pug. So what?
Not just any pug, you dunce. You are looking at a rare Tahini pug, a breed from the Mascarpone Islands. The right dog breeder would pay a fortune for that pooch.
Seriously?
Seriously, I want that dog.
We're gonna have some fun today! Ladies and gents, I know you're asking yourselves, who is that guy on stage? And you're absolutely right. It's me, Mr. Oo! But it's time to do it, so let's get to it! The first entrant in the Arc Lake City Dog Talent Show is none other than our mayor's daughter, Tanya, with her poodle, the petable, unforgettable Tina!
Excuse me, dearie, but may I borrow your eyelash curler?
Oh, certainly.
Mother of mercy!
Fantabuloso! Superlific! And not bad either! But you ain't seen nothing yet! Are you ready to knock your socks off? Then get set for some frosty footsies! Let's give it up for Olivia and the one and only Zobo Dog!
Zobodog, play red.
Nice job, Olivia. I like Zobo Dog.
Here, boy. All for you. A big, juicy steak. Just jump in. Come on, come on. Back, I say! Yes, well, don't worry, folks. A little table, a little glue, and Zobo Dog will be good as new. Next, let's hear it for Franco and his ruthless Rottweiler, the master of disaster, Apollo! Okay, Apollo, crush! Good boy! Now stop! Bravissimo! The judges have voted to award Apollo a special Most Destructive Dog Trophy! And now, from the brute to the cute, here's a surprise last-minute entry. Stephanie and her bodacious bloodhound, Benchley!
Benchley!
Okay, Benchley, speak. I said, speak. What? Roll over.
officially the best day of my life.
Benchley, sit there and look dumb. Benchley, act like a lump of clay. Benchley, utterly humiliate me in front of the whole town.
Bravo, Stephanie. He did that last trick perfectly. Hardship emergency! Come on!
I'm telling you, it wasn't that bad. She's right. Everyone just thought it was supposed to be funny.
It's still always Paris.
Time to let the cat out of the bag.
And next up, the silky song stylings of Andrea and the Owlers.
Ooh, pepperoni. I love my work.
Jay, isn't that the wrong note? Like, way wrong?
This isn't toffee. It's a tone-deaf imposter.
My pizza scooter. It's been stolen.
So was my dog.
This is a job for dog show security. What kind of dog?
Mostly pug.
What kind of pizza?
Mostly pepperoni.
So, both start with P. Coincidence? I think not.
Mr. Civil, what if it's the dog nappers you were talking about? What if they've got toffee?
You're right. Now they're stealing dogs and pizza. This time they've gone too far. Come on. We'll take the mayor's dog show limo.
Too slow. I'm taking my cycle.
Come on, you giant active drool! Now you've got an opinion? Where do you think you're going?
Sorry, can't wait any longer.
It's a
What is wrong with you, you moth-eaten mutt? Why are you going this way when Toffee was taken that way? Some bloodhound you are! Yeah, whatever. Sure, take me to your favorite tree.
Now what?
Look, it's that guy's footprints. I'll still bet he knows where Toffee is. I'm going after him.
Mr. Mayor, sir, remember how you told me to get your car washed?
Huh? Where'd they go? His feet must have dried off. But it's a dead end, so he must have gone into one of those houses.
You're right, but which one? Got it. Okay, Howlers, time for an encore. Now? Oh. He's in there! Great idea, Andrea! Come on!
Hold on. We don't know who or what is waiting inside there. We need a plan.
Aw, look! He has a kitty!
Good eyes, Emma. And speaking of good eyes, Zobito! Let's use your video camera eyes to show us what's inside that house. Doesn't look like anyone is home.
Then I'm going in to get Toffee.
Zobito, open the door.
Toffee!
Now I make a motion that we make a motion out of here!
Sorry, girls. Can't have you messing up my doggy deals.
She's tough, but her lasagna will melt your heart.
No way out! We're trapped!
Oh, great. And my phone's still drenched. It's useless.
Something wet.
Now what? No one knows we're here.
Oh, goody! Another alleyway. Maybe we can dig through a few more slimy dumpsters.
Oh! Hey! Where's the fire? Whoa! What are you doing? That's somebody's house! Eventually, stop! Have you gone nuts? Open the door! Stephanie!
Thank you! How did you find us?
I didn't. Eventually did.
So, the hero of the day is that magnificent bloodhound Benchley, who put an end to the notorious Jason family dog napping ring. And here's his proud master, Stephanie. Tell me, did you teach Benchley to be such a winner?
No way. I'm afraid I thought he was just a big, goofy dog. Until he taught me what a winner really is. And to wear waterproof shoes.
Hey, look at this! Benchley's already made the front page. Excellent. Oh, by the way, does it say who won the dog show? Here it is, on the last page. Oops, they got it kind of backwards. Winner of the Heart Lake City Dog Talent Show was Tina Bouter and her dancing dog, Tanya.